This is the Remington build, and we are getting spray foam today, so I'm super pumped up. We're doing 3 inches of closed cell on this build. That's just kind of what I like to do. J&J Spray Foam is who's doing it. It's a guy that actually stopped by and introduced himself to me one day, and he does an amazing job. So he's going to be who we'll be using on all of our spray foam jobs from here on out. So pretty pumped up about it. This is an important detail here. You can see he's starting out by filling behind these columns, and he'll build that out as it cures. All right, guys, that is a wrap on the spray foam. I talked to my spray foam guy, and we're gonna do a video when time allows, just covering a bunch of the basics. But we have 3 inches closed cell in here, and I showed you in a previous video how I was gonna prepare the top, basically the top plate area and the bottom plate area. So I'll show you that right now. So you can see down here is the bottom girt, and we had him fill that whole bay down there. And what that does is that attaches to the ICF form, fills that whole void, and then continues that break all the way up the wall. And then we did the same thing at the top. You can see that whole cavity has been filled. So now we have a nice envelope. It's nice and sealed. This is gonna be a really efficient house. Even if you have average windows, you're gonna end up with a really good, efficient house with closed cell spray foam. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. For those of you who are new to the channel or haven't heard me yet, we have a Patreon where every month we talk about a different topic. We put that topic out a little bit in advance, let you ask questions, and we go through the topic and then answer questions. It's a really good thing. We're starting to hopefully get more people on board with that because it's a good tool to put in your box if you are going to self-build. So as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next video.